I was told to try this brand. I love when you guys give me suggestions. I love when my friends message me when they see a wig. I was looking for a wig called Evie. We're going to name her Evie. It's really Ivy or whatever, however the Americanos say it. But it's a Zury Sis or Sassy Sis unit. This is her sister, I guess. She looks a lot more fuller. A lot of the people that wore her, you know, she looks a little frizzy, but she looks more natural, I guess, in a sense. So this one is the Sassy Sis Envy unit. A Sassy Lace H Envy unit in Somrt charcoal. I've been dying for that Ivy wig because it comes in charcoal, and charcoal is like my shit. It's like not black. It's gray, but it's not black. And it's not light. So she has a little scent. Nothing off-putting. Kind of perfumey like my abuelita. She feels lightweight but with lots of hair. Like heavy lightweight, if that makes sense. Ooh. Again, she has a scent. I don't know. It just reminds me of something or someone I know. This unit feels big head friendly in the back. Got natural waves. Very nice density. It's kind of thick, more than I would wear. She's got beautiful lace. She has a middle part. Yep, a middle part, which right. She has 2 combs in the front. The lace is soft, kind of scratchy feeling, but it's still softer than all the other laces. A decent comb in the back. The 2 adjustable straps. And cut the lace. Try her on and see how she looks as a middle part. Pray for the best. But you know what? I can't even front because the last wig I tried on that was a middle part. Well, I made it a middle part because she looked good that way. So I'm just going to cut this lace and shut up. Ooh, okay. All right. This wig cap. Well, ma'am. It's okay. This wig cap is definitely roomy. Oh, look, I already have the middle part from the last wig I tried on. Oh, hell no. Nope. See, she's frizzy. Like, it looks, well, she looks full. She looks full. Just got some shedding because I cut the lace. I know I cut some hair. So we don't really, this middle part, I mean, she's not ugly as a middle part. She's kind of humpy right here, but I feel like it's just the hair. So you could definitely flatten that out. Guys, she is looking, I love the waves though. The color on point. I'm not feeling, maybe this. No, that's a hell no. She's like looking frizzy already, but she's not frizzy. I'm not combing this one out for nothing. So what we're gonna do is whoop. Hello. She's a nice little flip. Now you see this ear tab right here that's on my ear. That's uncomfortable for me. Not on this wig. So what I do is I fold it in like so. Take some of the hair with me so it shortens it out. And if I get scissors to this, I feel like I'm gonna ruin it. So, but I'm like tempted to like use it as a side part at all times and like just twist the hair and kind of like, I don't know. I might need a professional for this though. Let's see what we're working with on this side. Gotta put the ear tabs in on the back of the head. This one you definitely can. This one's big head friendly, so I didn't tighten the straps. I left the straps as is. I think she's really pretty though. She's really cute, but I'm not keeping her as a like I feel like she needs a little cut. Like I feel like she needs that. Pretty much all the hair in the front. She does look a little uneven when I shift her. So I just slightly shifted her. What I'm gonna do is at least powder the part. You can't do anything about this part. This isn't like a 4x4 part. I'm gonna take my NYX powder. All right, and then just kind of make sure you rub. I do like, actually, this one just looks more sophisticated. It's got these really really pretty retro-like waves. I do feel like this hair will get natty real quick, and natty and naughty real quick, and I'm not really in the mood for all that. Ooh, oh. All right. It actually feels very comfortable tucked in behind the ear because I tucked in the wig cap so that but you can't tell that I tucked in the wig cap at all whatsoever. The wig cap looks great. Oh, I got a bobby pin sticking out. Oh, child, no, go back in. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. It probably won't look uneven from the back, and even if it does, let me just point. I hope you're focused. Please focus. Even if it does look a little uneven, who the hell's looking at that shit, to be honest. She's really pretty now. I'm warming up to her. I really am. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think of this unit. Of course, give it a thumbs up. If you're thinking of giving it a thumbs down, then stop yourself. X this out and move on to another channel or another video. If you just don't like it, there's no need for the negativity, guys. Goose fraba. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on this unit right here. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.